Welcome to Sparkwork. In today's video we will learn about how to create a course. Firstly, click on the Content Center icon in the top right corner. From here select Create Course option. Here on the top this is the title of your course. You can edit it by clicking here. Here you can choose language as per your preference. On the right side, this is the Course Options button. By clicking here you can access different course options. You can enable or disable it as per your requirement. You can also add any cover image related to your course by clicking here. Now here you can add any description about your course. These are the available options to add or create lessons to your course. You can create a lesson by clicking on Lesson Builder. Here you can find main features of Lesson Builder such as heading, subheading, paragraph, image, video, and so on. You can explore more Lesson Builder features by clicking on All button. You can add sections and segments to your lesson by clicking the Add Section and Add Segment button here. Next, you can create a text or video lesson by clicking on Add Text or Video Lesson here. You can add any image or video to your lesson by clicking here. Here you can add any text to your lesson. You can also attach any file to your lesson by clicking here. You can create any assignment lesson for your learner by clicking the Create Assignment here. You can add a quiz to your course by clicking Add Quiz here. You can add any image or video related to your quiz by clicking here. Here you can add any text related to your quiz. You can add single answer questions or multiple choice questions to your quiz. Here you can explore more features of creating quiz. You can also upload a SCORM file to your course if you already have one. You can also attach Pulse to your course. With Pulse feature, you can measure how well your course has performed among the learners. You get analytics on the course you have just created. Now that you have created your course, up next you will select who can access the course you just created above. These are the organizational units created by you, and you can select multiple units if you want. I am selecting Area A. On the right side, you can choose channels also if you want to show the course to a particular channel. Now, here you can pick any category related to your course, or you can type tags by yourself related to your course. Now, everything is done. You can watch a preview of your course by clicking the preview button here. Looks great. Let's go back and publish it. That's it. Your course is successfully published. It will be visible on the units and channels you have chosen. Training for creating a course is completed now. We hope this video has been helpful to you.